Hello everyone, welcome back, and I hope everybody is doing all good. In today's video, I share with you this amazing yet easy Ghanaian garden eggs and kontomire or cocoyam leaves stew recipe. Very healthy, very simple to put together, and you will love this. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the post notification bell so you get to be notified anytime I post new videos like this. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, let me introduce to you my blended ingredients. I'll be blending some fresh tomatoes, green scotch bonnet peppers. Next on the list, I'll also blend some rosemary, garlic, ginger, and some chopped onions. I will transfer everything into the blender and I'll blend until it's nice and very smooth. You can replace this with any natural herbs or vegetable of your choice, okay? Whilst that is going on, we're going to start by prepping my garden eggs. You can also use eggplant for this recipe and you are good to go, okay? Now, feel free to cut your garden eggs according to the sizes that you're looking for. You can also choose not to cut it this way, or you cook the full garden eggs and afterwards you grind it in asanka and you are good to go, okay? Everything depends on you. Whilst we're done prepping our garden eggs, I'll also be adding in some cocoyam leaves. I'll also cut the cocoyam leaves according to how I want it. Alright, so now if you don't have the cocoyam leaves, you can replace this with some spinach and also some taro leaves. Everything depends on you, okay? Now I am done prepping the cocoyam leaves. I will transfer my garden eggs and the cocoyam leaves into a cooking pot. I'll go in with a little bit of water. I'll cover and allow it to cook until it's nice and very soft. Remember to keep an eye on it because we don't want it to cook for a very long time, okay? Whilst that is going on, we also want to start by heating up some palm oil because we're going to start by making the stew. And whilst the palm oil is nice and very hot, I'll go in with some cured fish or momone to give the oil extra flavor. And once that is done, I'm going to go in with my blended vegetables, which I introduced to you earlier on. Whilst the blended vegetables is in, I'll give it a very good stir. I will cover and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Remember to keep an eye on it. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes and we are back. The sauce looks very perfect and thick, but it's not ready. I will cover it for the last time and allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. And we are also back to check on our garden eggs and cocoyam leaves, and this is how it looks like. It looks super soft and ready. Alright, so next I will set it aside and I will strain the water. I am back to check on the stew after 5 minutes, and this is how it looks like. As you can see, it looks super thick and well cooked. So next I'll go in with my deboned smoked mackerel. I'll also go in with some mackerel and tomato sauce. Kindly feel free to use any protein of your choice. I will stir everything together very nicely. I will cover and allow it to simmer on low medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes and it should be ready. And afterwards I'll go in with my next ingredients. Alright, so we are back after extra 3 minutes. This is how it looks like. It smells really good in here. Moving forward, I'll go in with my cocoyam and garden eggs. I'll stir everything together very nicely, and I'll go in with just a little bit of salt. You can go in with any additional seasoning if you want, but the sauce was very tasty, so no need for me to go in with extra seasoning. As I said, feel free to add it. Okay, I'll give it a very good stir. I will cover and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. Alright, so if you don't also love your garden eggs to be in chunks like this, as I said, feel free to blend or grind it to get the perfect consistency that you're looking for. Okay, so now let's cover and allow it to do its own thing. And after extra 2 minutes, we are back. This is how our stew looks like. At this point, it looks super good. Now our stew is nice and ready. All that is left is for us to enjoy ourselves. I paired mine with yam. You can also enjoy yours with rice. Just name it. It goes well with everything. Now let me enjoy this in peace and not in pieces. I'll see you in my next upload. Thank you so much, and do subscribe for more videos. Bye.